isip kaming gagawin.
Okay.
So from Tuna Festival to Preview Ball. So tatalon tayo pa. Tapos yung cut nun, naka-dress na tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! Let's go Preview Ball!
Hey guys, it's me! So the past few vlogs have been very Agnes focused as a Leo. De joke lang, birthday niya kasi, so mga birthday vlogs niya yung mga pinapost namin na recent. We decided to vlog this particular weekend kasi meron kaming festival na tutugtugan sa Gensan, yung Tuna Festival. And the day after, we'll be flying back to Manila at magpapaglam kami for the preview ball. First time namin ma-invite ni Agnes sa ganon, so we wanted to document it. But before all of that, mag-soundcheck muna tayo. Na pala. My second keyboard is not working again. Buti na lang meron pa akong mga patches dito na pwedeng gamitin. Say hi to everybody. Right? Okay lang ba if we sound check? Okay lang if we sound check CPS up until the first holes. Hindi kasi gumagana to, so nag-troubleshoot. Nag-gumawa na lang ako ng yung patches niya. Meron kaming dinagdag na instrumental section dito sa Could Be Something. And usually, Kiefer goes over to my area para makipag-jam or whatever. Ang special ng moment na to kasi bigla na lang siyang naging mini dance party between the two of us. Nasobrahan yata ng slide kasi na-disconnect ako sa in-ear monitors ko. So, okay, go. Madali siya. Most of the time, kapag early morning yung mga flights namin, after soundcheck, bumabalik na kami ng hotel para mag-rest. So we decided to exercise, I guess. At least productive. Wow, fitness era. Say hi to the vlog.
So, dapat bibili lang kami ng kape, tapos pina-close yung buong cafe para sa amin.
Oh,
so,
shit.
Ito na tayo.
Hi guys! Hello! Oy, hi! After our workout, we decided to go out for coffee dito sa Pear Coffee in Gensan. Maliban sa kape, we also needed a space to eat the durian na binigay sa amin ni Donuts. Shout out sa'yo, Donuts. Salamat sa 2 kilong durian. Thank you din sa Pear Coffee for letting us eat durian in your cafe. Nagkataon din na liwanag anniversary today, so we decided to do a little IG live dito sa Pear Cafe. Kunwari hindi niyo ako nakikita. Kunwari you don't see me, I don't see you, ganon. Charot! And look what we have here. A piano. Wow! Bihira kaming nakakatambay sa mga lugar na may piano. So, alam mo na kasunod nun.
Diba tumutugtog sila dyan na first time. Hindi na first time. First time ko mag-sign sa ref, guys. Astig, pinakamalaking bagay na na-signan ko ever.
really connect to each and everyone in this venue. Thank you for bringing all of the people here safely, and God bless the show. All in Jesus Christ's name, amen.
Okay.
Tuna!
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 Ama na! 1, 2, 3,
Tuna! Hello po! Hi po!
Hindi mo na ka!
Okay, time to go home. So, yung instruction sa amin ng road manager namin is dire-diretso lang, diretso sa van, stay close together, ganyan. Pero, I think hulaan nyo na lang kung sino yung unang sasaway.
Salamat! Thank you po so much! Kabilang van kami, pero paano yun? Naku, patay ka. Salamat! Thank you po! Thank you, madam. Thank you po! Bye po! Thank you! Thank you! Take care all. Take care always.
Fast forward, ito na kami ni Agnes dito sa Culture Salon with our HMA, Jazz, and Nico. They are glamming us up for the preview ball. Guys, hindi nyo alam, kabado kami ni Agnes prior to going to this ball kasi first time namin pupunta na kaming dalawa lang and walang tugtog. And hindi namin sure kung paano gumalaw doon, basta alam namin pa-party kami doon. So, okay, G. Ito naman si Jilla. Sa kanya kami nagpagawa ng gowns mga 3 to 4 weeks before the preview ball. Actually, kami, wala naman kaming alam sa styling and sa dressing up, so we really left it up to Jilla. And she was really able to deliver. Ang ganda ng mga suot namin. I was actually surprised na I was pretty comfortable in the gown she made for me. Kasi hindi ako sanay mag-gown. I don't know, I felt great that night. Thank you, Jilla. And thank you to Jazz. And thank you to Nico.
Birthday ni Jess. Picture, pat dito.
This night, we just decided to have fun, to go with the flow. Minsan nga, sa mga ganitong event na lang kami nagkakakita-kita ng mga friends namin. And it's nice to see friends outside of the work setting. Over dinner, the CEO and COO of Preview were delivering their speeches, and then they also awarded the best dressed. Catherine Bernardo was there. There were lots of celebrities around. Honestly, it was all pretty overwhelming kasi ang daming nangyayari, but then at the same time, go with the flow lang kami. And now for the fun part. As much as we'd want to include yung party music dito sa vlog, hindi talaga pwede kasi mafa-flag siya ng YouTube. So, imagine nyo na lang. There was this one part that the DJ was playing yung Budots na version ng mga Beanie songs, and then it was just so fun.
You look really pretty. My beautiful baby.
Si Maxine tulog na sinilip ko eh.
Thanks guys sa pagpapanood ng vlog. Vlog ba natin to?
Di ba kanina pa tayo nag-video?
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
We enjoyed that Jensen to Marriott.
Yeah, Tuna Festival to
Pasay.
Wala na ako boses, nakakatawa.
Party mo.
Ang ingay kasi.
So how does it feel to be a fashion icon in the music industry?
Kaloka talaga. Hindi ako naniniwala doon. Hindi siya totoo.
Tulugan natin.
Feeling ko naghahanap lang sila ng sasabihin sa spiel. Ganon.
Night guys.
Good night.
Thank
you
you
so much. Bye-bye.